Okay, hello, dear students. Good morning. So today I will start the lecture about spherical polar coordinates system. So in previous video lecture, I have already explained about the rectangular coordinates or Cartesian coordinates, cylindrical coordinates, and how can change the coordinate system one system to another system. So now let us start the spherical polar coordinate system, right? Spherical polar coordinate system. So simply how can transfer x, it means Cartesian coordinate, in spherical polar coordinate system, right? So that is coordinates, so spherical polar coordinate system. Yeah, simply you can say spherical coordinate system. So it is useful. There is a point of symmetry that is taken as the origin. So spherical polar coordinate is most appropriate when dealing with the problems having a degree of spherical symmetry. So look at the figure, the point P. Look at the figure, the point P. The point P, the coordinates is r, theta and phi. Phi I have already discussed in previous lecture in cylindrical coordinate system. That is, phi is the angle between the projection in xy plane and angle between the projection of xy plane and x-axis, right? So simply here, first is here draw one perpendicular line in xy plane. Xy, this is the xy plane. Here, suppose this point is the F, and to meet origin, okay, so this angle is known as phi. Phi is the azimuthal angle. And another here draw perpendicular on z axis. Perpendicular on z axis. This is the 90 degree. This is the 90 degree. Right? This is the R. R means position vector. R is the position vector. Here phi is the azimuthal angle and theta. This angle is the theta angle. So everybody you have clear r, theta and phi. R is the position vector, OP. Phi is the OM projection and x-axis, that is azimuthal angle is measured between the projection in xy plane and x-axis. This is the x-axis, right? To make here, this point draw perpendicular here, that is 90 degree, right? So this line here, ON, so ON equal to x, here MN equal to here this line or this line here direction y. मैं यहाँ पे ज़्यादा नहीं बनाऊँगा, लाइक दैट इज कंजेस्टेड हो जाए y एक्सिस एंड z, here z, this or this, z axis or z axis, clear? तो x इक्वल टू r sin थीटा cos phi, y इक्वल टू r sin थीटा sin phi और z इक्वल टू r cos थीटा. So theta and phi are theta. R is the position vector, right? The distance of P from the origin, and theta is angle between the position vector and z axis, and phi is the angle between projection in and x axis, that is known as azimuthal angle, right? So first is how can transfer x in rectangular coordinates in spherical polar coordinates. So look at the figure. Suppose here point is the S. Okay, S. That is three coordinates in spherical coordinates. Suppose here one coordinate r, theta and phi. So here r cap is the unit vector, theta cap is the unit vector, and phi cap is the unit vector along r increment of or r plus d dr theta theta plus d theta phi plus d phi. So simply you can calculate first here सबसे पहले कि that is a Cartesian coordinate changed to the spherical polar coordinate. So look at the diagram, that is two triangle here. One triangle is OPS and triangle OMN. Okay, so for triangle OPS, this is the 90 degree, right? Here R, so this angle is PS equal to R sin theta, PS equal to R sin theta, right? That is perpendicular. Or here OS equal to R cos theta, R cos theta. So in triangle that is cos theta equal to OS, so OS equal to OP cos theta. OS means Z, same. So Z equal to OP R cos theta. First is clear, R cos theta, R cos theta, right? In same triangle, in triangle OPC, that is PS equal to R sin theta. So this is also R sin theta, R sin theta. अब in triangle OMN, okay, OMN, right? OMN, triangle OMN, right? Here PS is R sin theta, this is the also R sin theta. Now here, this is the 90 degree, R sin theta, this angle is the, figure बहुत अच्छा नहीं बना, so this is hypotenuse. So first is sin phi equal to, right? So sin phi equal to MN upon OM. Here MN. So MN equal to OM sin phi. OM equal to already R sin theta. और MN equal to Y, तो Y equal to R sin theta sin phi. That is Y. Okay. Note down again. Here sin phi cos phi equal to OL upon OM. So OL equal to OM cos phi. OM cos phi. So OM x, OM equal to R sin theta. So R sin theta, or here sorry cos phi. So cos phi. So x equal to R sin theta cos phi. X equal to R sin theta cos phi. Simply, okay, that is got it. So simply that is a Cartesian coordinates change into polar coordinates R, theta and phi, right? इसको नोट कर लीजिए ध्यान से कि phi is the angle between, theta is here, theta angle between z axis and the position vector and the position vector OP, right? That is R, right? And phi is angle between angle between OM and X axis. OM and X axis. Here OM is the projection. It's called AZ. That is azimuthal angle. The azimuthal angle is measured from the X axis and position in XY plane. Okay, everything is clear. Now look at this diagram. What is r cap, theta cap and phi. So here r, theta and phi. So r cap means कि theta and phi unchanged. Theta and phi unchanged. That means कि r equal, that is r plus dr. Increase r cap along the increment. Suppose this is the r, so here just one second. Look here, r, theta and phi. Here, that is r cap. Suppose this is the dr. The magnitude dr and direction is r cap. Okay, here phi. Here phi, so phi, suppose that here change to the d phi. This direction. Here phi cap, right? Theta. Here theta change. This d theta. That means here theta cap, r cap. And here phi, so that is phi cap. This point, okay, phi cap. So that is theta cap. So r cap equal to is along the direction of increasing r. Is along the direction, of increasing r. Okay, r cap is along the direction of increasing r. Here theta cap is along the direction of increasing theta. Is simply here r cap, it means कि r increment r plus dr cap, dr to represent to the r cap, this direction. Here theta is along the direction, that means कि theta plus d theta, theta cap, and phi cap, so phi cap plus d phi, phi cap, phi equal to phi plus d phi, right? That is phi cap. So r cap, that means theta and phi unchanged. Theta, r and phi is unchanged. Phi, r and theta is unchanged, right? Okay. Similar, that is r, theta and phi is the unit vector. So simply to find out the line element, surface element or area element and volume element in spherical polar coordinate system, right? तो सबसे पहले हम लाइन एलिमेंट, तो लाइन एलिमेंट मीन्स इंक्रीमेंट r plus dr. This is the line element, dr, line element. Here तो dr, the line element is simply line element. Okay, तो dlr, तो dlr increment means dr and r cap. Dr is the magnitude and r cap is the direction. dl theta, so that is magnitude. अब simply here look at this diagram. Theta here. Oh, suppose this is a right angle triangle. R d theta. So this value is r d theta. Simply angle equal to arc upon radius. So r d theta is the magnitude and direction is theta cap. R d theta is magnitude and theta cap. Right? Here dl phi. dl phi is here. dl phi. So r sin theta. So this distance is r sin theta d phi. R sin theta d phi, and phi cap is direction. So r sin theta d phi and phi cap. So this is the line element, right? Line element. अब simply calculate the surface element. Surface element. Surface element or area element. तो area element means कि r, theta and phi. It means one variable is constant, theta and phi change to make a, to cover a area, that is area element. So suppose r is constant. R constant. Yes, simply you can find out the dlr into dl theta. So r constant, it means the direction of this plane is along r direction. So r constant means r d theta, theta cap, r d theta, r sin theta, d phi, r cap. Yes, simply you can calculate dlr into dl theta cap. Okay, area. So dlr equal to, dlr means dr r cap cross r d theta cap. So dr r d theta is scalar value. So dr r d theta, और here r cap cross theta cap. तो r cap cross theta cap just like a equal to r cross theta cap equal to phi cap. Okay, so dr r d theta phi cap. Okay, so simply you also calculate dl theta, dl phi, this into this. अब वॉल्यूम एलिमेंट, तो वॉल्यूम एलिमेंट मीन्स 3 coordinates, 3 value are changed. वॉल्यूम एलिमेंट, तो r, थीटा एंड फाई तीनों चेंज हो. r थीटा तो d tau इक्वल, d tau means dx, dy, dz, right? तो dlr, dl theta, तो simply the area of volume of the parallelepiped की a vector dot b cross c vector. Okay, so simply here a dlr dot b dl theta c dl phi. Okay, so here dr r cap, dl theta r d theta cap cross r sin theta d phi cap. Okay, r d theta, r sin theta, sin theta d phi is the scalar dr. So dr आर डी थीटा, ये आर साइन थीटा डी फाई, आर कैप, ये थीटा कैप क्रॉस फाई कैप। तो थीटा कैप क्रॉस फाई कैप, हियर लुक एट दिस, थीटा कैप क्रॉस फाई कैप इक्वल टू आर कैप। तो सिंपली आर कैप डॉट आर कैप, आर कैप डॉट आर कैप इक्वल टू 1। तो हियर डी आर डी थीटा, आर साइन थीटा डी फाई, और आर कैप आर कैप। तो दिस वैल्यू इज 1, दिस इज द डी टाउ। इट मीन्स कि वॉल्यूम एलिमेंट, okay, that is volume element. So you can practice rectangular coordinates, spherical polar coordinates and cylindrical polar coordinates. तो next lecture में method is gradient, क्योंकि these coordinate system that is basically importance for the charge distribution of a particular spherical cell, cylindrical cell या line element etc. तो you can calculate the electric flux, electric field and potential. तो हम आगे के लेक्चर में ग्रेडियंट, डाइवर्जेंस एंड कर्ल डिस्कस करेंगे। थैंक यू।